Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I went from this to this using the Sam Villa Sleekr Flatiron. Let's get started.
Alright, so here it is. So the Sleekr, as you can see, has rounded plates. So this allows the hair to glide smoothly through the flat iron. So the Sleekr measures 12 inches in length and it has a temperature setting on a rotating cord. And the ceramic plates themselves are 4 inches long and 1 inch wide. One of my favorite things about the Sleekr is the 9-foot long cord, which allows me to move freely when I'm styling a client or my own hair. The Sleekr has 3 heat settings: low at 375 degrees, color treated at 392, and high at 410 degrees. When turned on, the green light indicates that the heat setting is set to low. The orange light means that the setting is set to color treated. And the red light means that the temperature has been set to high. So let's experiment and see how hot it gets in 60 seconds. And please excuse the setup. I didn't have any other way to test the temperature, so I improvised and used a thermometer that I found in my kitchen. As you may have noticed, the temperature setting was set to high. The reason why is that I didn't want to disturb the setup trying to switch it on. So I set it to high before I plugged it in, and then I plugged in the cord and started the time. I know that using this method is not 100% accurate, but I do hope it helps. The plates went up to between 180 degrees to 200 degrees in 60 seconds. Alright, so let's get started. So I have shampooed and conditioned my hair, and now I'm going to add some heat protectant. I will be using this Hydro Mist Blowout Spray by Paul Mitchell. So this spray will hydrate and protect your hair from any heat, since we are going to be putting a lot of heat on it today. I will also be adding this Heat Seal Spray by Paul Mitchell, and this is going to give us extra heat protection and shine. Let's blow dry. So I will be brushing my hair with a paddle brush as I'm blow drying my hair. This will smooth out my curls, which will make it easier to straighten later. So now I'm going to take a rat tail comb and I'm going to separate my hair into the 2 sections right down the middle and just clip those off to the side. I will be using alligator clips to section and to hold my hair out of the way while I flat iron. So for smoother and straighter hair, I will be taking very small sections all throughout my head. Doing this will take a little longer, but the results will be worth it. Now to every section, I will be spraying on some of this Hot Tool Protection hairspray from Sexy Hair. This will also give your hair lots of shine. I set the temperature at 392, which is for color treated hair, and very close to my scalp, I start feeding the hair through the flat iron. Now once I'm finished with that section, I just toss it back and grab the next one. So just keep repeating these steps throughout the rest of your hair. I will leave a list of the things that I use down in the description box, as well as my socials. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I will leave that down below as well. I purchased this flat iron at Salon Centric. I paid I think $130 for it. It was on sale, but I've seen it online ranging from $100 to $150. I want to show you this section here. See, this section is too thick. If we were to flat iron, all the heat would go up to the top portion of the hair, and it would also go to the bottom section of the hair. But the middle will not get straight because it didn't really get any heat because the section was too thick. So it's very important that we keep smaller sections. So here I'm going to go ahead and split this section into 3. By doing this, I ensure that every strand of hair receives the same amount of heat, which will lead to more consistent results in the end. So the plates in this flat iron are coated with tourmaline, which is a semi-precious mineral. And so what this does, it just creates extra shine and smoothness to the hair. So sorry about that, but does anybody else listen to Selena? I swear, oh my gosh, I love her. I don't ever get tired of her. Let me know in the comments. I want to know. Okay, so let's get back to the video. So here I'm showing you a section that is too wide. So it's pretty thin, which is good, but I'm going to split it in half. So I'm going to be taking 2 sections and flat iron in 2 sections instead of just 1. So I'm going to slow this down for you just a minute so you can take a look at that shine. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I love it. Can't get enough of that. Alright, once I reach the top, I'm completely finished and I'm just going to pick my party and I'm good to go. Alright, so here are the final results. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and don't forget to leave a comment down below of what you want to see next. Bye.